Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? We're back. Today we are going to go hike, and when I remember the name of the trail, I gotta check, hold on. Today we are hiking at Independence Mountain Trail at Pence Park. I think I just said that right. It's a really long name, but I'm gonna link it below so that you guys know exactly what it is. And we're gonna see exactly how much trash we can find on the trail, as well as like give you guys some information on the trail too. It's kind of hot right now, but that's our fault for hiking in the middle of the day. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share, ring that notification bell, do all that good stuff. And let's go see how much trash people like to leave in beautiful natural places that there shouldn't be trash. Okay, so this is the trail we're gonna do. Obviously, we are here, and we're gonna like hike in on this up to the peak and then out. It shouldn't be too bad. It's like 2 miles, I believe, so should be pretty easy.
And I have a hole in my leg. So
oh yeah,
make me aerodynamic.
Yeah, I totally forgot about this. Kyler stabbed himself with a box cutter last night, and now he has stitches in his leg, and we'll see how that goes. Also, there's this: no littering. Pack it in, pack it out. So we'll see how well people oblige by that. Here's Gimp Leg's first couple steps on the trail. How's it feel? Alright. We're off to a good start then. Okay, this is where that trail splits like I just showed you guys. That is the north loop where Kyler's going, and this is the south. And based off of this downward steppage right here, we're gonna try and do north so that coming down, we don't have to hike up that. We can just like come down it and do this. I'm sure there's gonna be up no matter where we go, but we'll let you know if this was a good choice by the end. First things I found, I don't really know if this is a cigarette butt, to be honest, but it's not normal. It's not natural. That cigarette butt was like, I don't know, the start of the trail's right there. You can still see it, so off to a good start. All right, round number 2, not far from the cigarette. Little pieces of microplastic. What is that? What the hell? What is that? Alright, if you don't know anything about microplastics, I'm gonna like encourage you to go do some research. If you know who Shailene Woodley is, she just did a whole week on the Sargasso Sea learning about microplastics in the ocean and what they do and how they affect us and how they affect the planet, and like about protecting our oceans, which might be kind of silly because I'm in the mountains, but I keep finding little pieces of plastic on this trail. So microplastics are definitely something to pay attention to. So I'm gonna link that below. She did something with Greenpeace and she explains everything in that. I'm not super good at explaining it, but if you want to know, which I think you should, go check that link out. Now we're kind of going up. Could have potentially chose the wrong way to go, but the other way looked really steep too, but I mean, it's not terribly steep. So it's a 2.3 mile hike. I think I said 2 earlier, so it's a little over 2. And it was rated as moderate, so some incline is definitely expected with moderate. But we ended up picking this one today. 1, because Kyler's got a stab wound, and 2, because it was a little bit shorter than the other trail we were gonna do, and it's like, this one's covered. The other one wasn't very covered, so, and because we came out in the middle of the day, we didn't want to like be dying in the Colorado sun. So we chose this one, and now I'm breathing heavy, so I'm gonna go breathe for a little bit. There could be a woodpecker up there, not sure. That was the other thing that was online about this trail, is apparently it's a really good bird watching trail. So I don't know if y'all know anybody who really likes watching birds, but my mom enjoys watching birds, so you know, if you know anybody, just send them this way, because we've seen a ton of birds already, and that one was pretty cool, the little woodpecker. If that was a woodpecker, we could be very wrong. I'm not a bird watcher, so I'm not sure. We have now entered a totally different kind of terrain. It's not just trees now. We got giant boulders everywhere. So definitely living up to that moderate title. The ground sparkles here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of sparkly ground here, which is pretty cool. House up there. I imagine they hike to get there. Very potentially, we could be going right there. There's a little lookout guy up there, and I think that's where we're going. I could be wrong. If we listen very closely, we think we hear a woodpecker. Of course, now he's not gonna do it. Oh, that was him. Okay, trash check-in. We haven't actually found a ton of trash, which is really good. Normally when we go hiking, it's like way too much trash, but so far it's only been like little like microplastics, like I said. So we're doing really good, but I'm really happy to even be looking and picking stuff up because, you know, we don't need all the animals in our planet just eating tiny bits of plastic and getting sick. So I think we're doing pretty good on not finding a lot of trash. People so far seem to be living by the pack it in, pack it out rule. So we'll keep going though, keep seeing what we can find. Doing good so far though. Yeah, I found a little hike and trail stream.
A tree star. You don't get the reference?
No.
If you get the reference, comment below.
I have a lot to learn, okay? I've been told I'm deprived. Found something. Oh, kind of close to a spider's nest. Why can't you just, you know, take this down with you and not leave it on the trail? I don't get it. I don't know, but that's the first trash we found in a while, so we're still doing pretty good.
That was like a good quarter mile, I feel like not trying.
Yeah, we're doing good. Okay, Kyler just explained the reference. I have seen it before. Don't judge me. It's been a long time. Okay? Don't judge me! Okay, so another super cool thing about this trail is there are wildflowers everywhere. Obviously you can see them here, but if you like wildflowers while you're hiking, which I pretty much do, and who doesn't, this is a really good trail for that. We're pretty high up here now. Not quite to the top, but getting close. Well, we're thinking this is the final stretch. Could be wrong, but guess we're about to find out. We found that house we were looking at earlier, and a few other ones. How do you have an observatory on your house?
I want to meet those people.
I can't even see it on my screen, but in this region, house with an observatory.
Like,
What?
Like I just want to go over there and be like, hey, can we be friends?
Made it to the top. Ready for some sick views. Here we go. Talking about it on our way up here. We're not sure if we entirely have the definition of microplastics correct or if we're like using it right, but that's part of this journey, part of why I'm telling you guys about it, because I want to educate myself and I think you guys should know as well. So I'm probably going to link like the definitions of micro and macroplastics and like all of that good stuff down below so you guys can see all of that and know exactly what it is, and so I can know what it is. So in future videos when I talk about it, it makes more sense. But either way, whether we have the definitions correct or not, I'm still finding small pieces of plastic out here, which is not good just for the sake of the planet, obviously, but small animals eat that, bigger animals eat them, it goes up and up and up, and then it ends up in our food, and not good, obviously. So just, you know, educate yourself just like I'm gonna do, and do your best to use less plastic. Follow me on this journey because I'm learning too, and I think it's really valuable. I think we're well past the point of being aware of all of this. So hopefully this is helpful information for you, and hopefully it's inspiring you to do better to help the planet. So yeah, but now we're gonna go back to hiking. I got shaky leg syndrome right now. No, it's just because I'm going down, like I can handle it. My legs are shaking. We really went up when we went up, just so y'all know. We really went up. Now we're really going down. Quick trash update. I'm still looking. I'm basically staring at the ground the entire time and, you know, anywhere I can see. And I haven't found a lot of trash. I mean, we still have enough trash that we've picked up, but we're still doing really good. And it makes me so happy that I'm not finding a ton of trash. I'm absolutely not disappointed to not be finding trash. Does that make sense? We're about halfway down now, I think. So, keep trucking away. Yeah.
Just think about it positively, like, yeah, it is actually really excellent that as much as I complain about trash, there's no trash here.
Yeah.
You know? Like,
it's incredible.
Yep.
Like,
it looks good.
No, and it makes
I bitch about it all the time. You know?
Yeah. No, we both do, and it's like normally every place we go is like a disaster
that's why
of
we're
trash.
bitching about it, is 'cause it's
Yeah.
everywhere.
I mean, we definitely got lucky with this one that we randomly picked a trail and there's no trash. Like, I mean, there's still a little bit, but you know.
Yeah, but we're picking up like a lot of things that, you know, could be accidental.
Yeah, it's not beer cans and it's not like water bottles and
I've seen a couple of dogs. I haven't seen one bag of dogs.
no, it's just it is really good that we haven't seen a ton of trash. And you know what? Who knows? Maybe somebody came through yesterday and picked up trash.
He's still here. I kicked him. Got him.
A lot of flies on this trail. A lot of flies. Very large chipmunk. I don't even, that might be a squirrel. I don't know, but he's doing a little dance on that rock over there for us. He's bouncing. He's all cute. Finishing the trail, made it to the end. Woo-woo. What'd you think of it, babe?
It's good.
Yeah?
Warm.
Think the moderate rating was accurate?
Definitely accurate.
Yeah. I think it's definitely like a moderate kind of high.
This is a steep moderate.
Yeah,
Not
it's
really.
a steep moderate.
There's stairs, but it's
Yeah.
don't come after a rain, so you're fine.
But it was good. We made it. That other side of the loop I feel was like shorter. And it very well could have been, but I don't remember on the map.
The downhill part.
Yeah, and we were also going downhill, so it could have just been like that was the case. But it was definitely super easy, and like not super easy. It was definitely like easier and accurate to the moderate description. I can't speak. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you maybe learned a few things or was at least inspired to look about what's happening with climate change. At the very least, be considerate about what you bring with you on a hike or what you leave behind when you bring food or trash or anything out into the world. Plastic isn't a natural thing, so don't be leaving it around. Again, check out all the links down below to educate yourself a little bit, because I've definitely been doing a lot of that lately. And a tip for you, just bring a bag or dedicate a pocket in your bag that you're bringing hiking to trash that you find. Like, you might as well, and just pick it up and feel good about yourself for doing it, for helping the planet. But anyway, either way, hope you guys like that. Please subscribe, ring the notification bell, leave a comment down below, ask me anything, tell me anything, and share it with all your friends. But really hope you guys like that. We will see you guys next time. Bye!